Can't make this shit up, can you? This how you know that it's all at an end. See, this how all empires fell, to be truthful and honest with you, but we just gonna stick with the European. This is how the Greeks fell, this is how the Romans fell, and now America, which is an extension of them, the draconian race, Babylon. Lab grown babies could be a reality as soon as 2028, scientists claim. Let me play this video for you for us so we can watch this together. Go boom. Let me turn this around right here. Pause. So you can see. Okay. Growing human babies in a lab could be possible in just 5 years. In 5 years, growing human babies in a lab could be possible in just 5 years. Keep it going. Researchers in Japan are on the cusp of being able to create human eggs and sperm in a lab from scratch. Now, I'm not going to torture this name right here because I already see it. Professor Kachuchua Hashio from Kashu University has already figured out the process in mice. So this Asian scientist, geneticist, has already figured out the process in mice. Now, and again, this is where I tell you, the people that share DNA with mice, monkeys, fruit flies, and other animals, their cells are easily penetrated with UV light. Uh, our cells, prokaryotic cells, because we are the sun, aka neuromelanin, we actually absorb UV light. So they can't penetrate our cells to alter our DNA. So let me keep it moving forward. His team of researchers recently created 7 mice with two male biological parents. His team of researchers recently created 7 mice with 2 male biological parents. Now, who shares DNA with mice? Huh? Who shares there was approximately between 60 to 70% of their DNA with mice? And also, this is how they test ultraviolet lights, meaning radiation, chemotherapy. This is how they test for. This is where they get cancer from. To study cancer, they study through white mice. Again, anything that is white is a recessive. So here we go. Using skin cells from a male mice to form a valuable egg and then fertilize it. First of all, let me just explain something to you. You have to be real sick to literally be thinking like this. There is something that have to be wrong with you mentally in order for you to have the mind that you literally need to create babies in a makeshift cul-de-sac, not the natural way of life. That tells you something, people. I'm telling you, you don't know what or who you're dealing with or who we subjugated our children to. But the truth is more disturbing than the lie. In the future, scientists could theoretically generate sperm and egg for unfertile people from one of their blood cells. Now, first of all, let me just say this to you. When has ever black people been, unfertile? Now, we have to really think about this. Now, I'm going to tell you why this is so important right now. Because of where we at in the cosmos, again, we're home right now, my brothers and sisters, but also the ultraviolet light, the UVA, UVB has has increased exponentially. UVA and UVB, and now UVC radiation. It is sterilizing them. The foods and everything that we are eating that's putting in our body is sterilizing us. So they have to make it look normal, but this is not normal at all, my brothers and sisters. Now, this is crazy. In the future, scientists could theoretically generate sperm and egg for unfertile people from one of their blood cells. This is crazy. This is crazy, my people. Again, we have abandoned our children. We have subjugated our children to a group of species that are completely out of control. Completely out of control. And you know what? We're even more out of control for allowing this shit to go on. I value my brothers and sisters. Listen, each one reach one. This is how we grow. Star seeds, children. I do apologize for what has taken place with you. You have no idea. I sincerely do. This is crazy right here. Abundance to you all.